So, hello, good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm also doing great. Thank you so much for asking. So, as we are meeting for the very first time, please introduce yourself if you don't mind.
Okay, okay. First of all, thank you so much giving me this opportunity. So I say something about my introduce. So let's get started. So actually, my name is Abdul Salam. I'm from Assam, northeast part of India. I have completed my graduation from Gauhati University. I have also completed my PGDCA course in computer diploma. And
Okay.
currently, I have been working as a computer shop, and as well as I am studying learning English. And my hobbies learning English and playing games. And so that's all about my introduce. So please introduce yourself.
Yeah, so it was really a great introduction of yours. So, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Babita. I'm talking to you from Gorakhpur, UP. About my education, I have done graduation with English. I did PG, BEd, and also qualified CT, UPT. Apart from this, I'm a homemaker. Simultaneously, I'm running YouTube channel. Along with I'm a mother of two kids. About my hobbies, I love singing, yoga, and talking with the people. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah. So, when did you start your speaking journey? Because I can see you are speaking with me with like full confidence.
Okay, okay. Actually, I am studying learning English before 1 month ago in our studying journey start. So actually, right now, my spoken English day by day improvement. And when I start my journey, that time I very shyness feel.
Yeah,
Okay,
great. And you have started your journey, just for 1 month, and you are speaking really so good. Yeah, amazing.
okay,
What do you see yourself before 15 1 month ago and now? How do you feel yourself? Because now you are able to speak in English.
okay. Actually, right now I very achievement. Actually, a big opportunity myself. Actually, when I start my journey, that time very bad situation and very shyness feel. And right now, very good feeling. My actually, I start daily practicing and video making and daily minimum 1 or 2 hours speaking, learning a video, watching video, and a conversational video watching, and many type of English video watching.
Okay,
Okay.
so you are doing a lot of things to improve your English. That is really amazing, great. And in this way, we can accelerate our knowledge bit by bit, right? If you
Right,
are
right.
if you are trying to appear yourself on daily basis, then only it is going to help you. Because now you are doing, right? You are doing you are trying to talk with the people on regular basis. You are making solo video as well as you are listening and reading as well. Are you doing reading?
Yes, yes, sir. I'm reading daily.
Okay, so how much timing you are giving for reading?
Okay, actually, daily minimum 1 hour. I am daily continuously reading, and actually, writing. I always writing and reading, and maximum time I am speaking,
Hmm.
and after that, listening. First of all, listening is the most, I think. Then speaking. Okay.
Yes, yeah, listening is very most important than all the parts because if you are good listener, then you are going to become a good speaker, right? It is
Okay. Right. Right.
so yeah, you are doing a lot of thing and you are able to follow all the aspects, whatever things requirement. For learning this language, we need to follow LSRW, and as you are doing already. So totally
Already.
to improvement yourself over time, right?